essential factors for installing cost accounting system. What all the factors are there with respect to installing cost accounting system? This is also very frequently asked a question. Even November 1999, 2010, May 17, so many years what? It's a frequently asked a question. So many years they asked the question. What are all the factors are there? Factors with respect to installing the cost accounting system. Objective of the system you should be the question to know. First one, what? The objectives of the system. Scope and extent of coverage. Second point is scope and extent of coverage. The general organization setup in the business. Technical aspects of the concern. Attitude and behavior of the people in the organization. The manner in which different variable expenses would be affected with the operation. The manner in which cost and financial accounts are interlocked, and the availability of the information should be sufficient. These are all the factors you have to consider. Very frequently asked question. I'll repeat once again. Kindly make a note also. Objects of the system, scope and extent of coverage, general organization setup, technical aspects of the concern, attitude and behavior of the people, manner in which different variable expenses would affect the operation, the manner in which cost and financial accounts are interlocked. These are the 7 essential factors are there with respect to installing the cost accounting system. Okay, installation part is okay, sir. But what are all the practical difficulties are there with respect to installing the cost accounting system? There are 5 practical difficulties are there. First one is lack of support from top management. Top management support may not be sufficient or not proper. Second one, lack of support from accounting staff. Lack of support from operating level. Shortage of trained employees and cost of operating system. These are all practical difficulties, 5 practical difficulties. First, 3 things only lack of. One is lack of support from top management, lack of support from operating level staff, lack of support from accounting staff. Next one is what? Shortage of trained labor and cost of operating system. These are the 5 points you have tried with respect to practical difficulties while installing the cost accounting system. Next, essential features of good cost accounting system. Previous thing is what are all the factors to be considered before installing cost accounting system. Now the next question is called what? Essential features of good cost accounting system. When we can be the person to say this cost accounting system is good. This is also very frequently asked a question. November 2005, May 2018, November 2012. Okay, that means what important question. Listen here. All the questions, important question, past exam questions only are going to discuss in our forum. Therefore, kindly make a note. Kindly revise and recall again and again. Kindly refer so that will help you like anything. Always having the habit of try to jot down all the points. Thereafter revise. That will help.